We learned about the African penguin. They feed on mostly squid and mackerel. They make a sound of a donkey.
Why are they endangered?
Other animals eat them. People kill them too.
That's why they're endangered, right?
Yeah. We learned about the spider monkey. Their behavior is that they call to one another in a whining, hoarse voice. They will break off of tree branches, and they also eat spider eggs. They're endangered because people hunted them. Also, their trees are cut down, and they often catch a disease called malaria. We learned about crane. It has a long, sharp beak and long legs. It eats fish. It uses its sharp beak to get fish. Why is the animal endangered? The answer is many kinds of cranes are endangered because of hunting and habitat destruction. We learned about tigers. Tigers hunt alone at night. They eat deers, wild hogs. They're endangered because people hunt tigers for sport. We learned about the bald eagles. Bald eagles hunt birds and mammals. Bald eagles build nests in tall trees or high rocks. A pesticide called DDT harmed the eagle's egg. By the mid-1900s, hunters had killed many thousands of them.
That's why they're endangered, right?
Yeah. And about the lions, sometimes prides hunt together as a team and share the kill.
And why are they endangered?
They're endangered because people have been hunted the lion for many years. Since the day of Roman Empire, people have caged lion for display in circuses and zoos. About sea turtles, it eats jellyfish, loggerheads, and it eats crustaceans and other small marine animals. Sea turtles are endangered because people are using their shell to make jewelry, and people are captured their eggs. We are learning about the blue whale. Blue whales live alone or in small groups. The blue whale is endangered, and people kill them.
People are hunting them.
My endangered species is an elephant.
Okay. Tell me about it.
Some elephants are endangered because humans carve their tusks for their ivory, and their ivory can be carved into jewelry. And
What's an interesting fact about an elephant?
An interesting fact about an elephant is that elephants migrate or travel in search of food, and they're endangered because their tusks are made of ivory, which makes jewelry and other objects. We learned about leopards. Its prey are antelope, deer, dogs, and baboons. They may attack humans. And people hunt leopards for sport and for their fur. Most people have moved into the land where leopards live. The wolves, and this is our habitat, and you can see we put a wolf here and a wolf hiding right here.
Okay.
And there's some
trees right here, and we put some water, and these are some rocks we made, and we put some grass on like the beginning. And our fact is wolves are normally hunt at night in groups. They eat dinner, dints, moose, squirrels, and mice.
Okay, why is it endangered?
Their habitats are being destroyed and wolves are being attacked.